Your computer keyboard, suppose the number lock is off, you must turn on this number lock. Now you can see this is the alt key, you must press and hold this alt key, and after that you must okay, before that you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer for doing this, and after that you must try this, that is you must turn on this if this number lock is off, you must turn on this number lock. Then you must press and hold this alt key, don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 9971. After typing 9971 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that now this triangle flag that is inside and all that we are created using this keyboard shortcut method. And suppose if you want to change the color also, you can simply select and from here you can change the color, and also if you want to change the background, then also you can do here. So if this video helps you, for more you can subscribe. Thank you.